We're back and we're going to try another experiment creating plasma from the microwave. This time without grapes, because we want to create much more plasma than just the little slivers of plasma that the grapes gave us. Boy, why don't you tell the world what plasma is?
Plasma is a fourth state of matter. To put it very simply, plasma is an ionized gas, a gas into which sufficient energy is provided to free electrons from atoms or molecules and to allow both species and ions and electrons to coexist.
Ha ha! Good job, buddy. Now, what kind of materials are we going to be using for this experiment?
3 bottle caps and a tobacco thing with
my tobacco pipe cork tamper, because it's cork, and a lighter. And of course, we're going to light the toothpick on fire and then nuke the whole thing. Surprisingly, our microwave is still intact and works and has not blown up yet. We do have a fire extinguisher, our last one, albeit it's full. So, the first thing we're going to do is set these 3 bottle caps as a base for the jar. We're going to make sure the jar fits or sits stably on each cap. Good. Boy, you can hold out the cork over the stove, and I'm going to light that toothpick on fire. Set it in there. Oh. You got plasma. Did you see that spark of plasma, boy? It's not a flaming plume. Oh, there it is! A flaming plume of plasma! Success, buddy! We finally did one with success. Awesome. What do you think about that?
cool.
You know what's cool? We didn't have to use the fire extinguisher. Any parting thoughts? There goes the boy.